How to make text messages not show up on lock screen. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So let's say you want to get rid of the WhatsApp messages and Facebook, Instagram or Twitter messages notifications on your lock screen. So what you have to do, let's say you want to get rid of the Instagram messages, so simply click and hold on that and go for its apps info. Once you are here, you have to simply go for the notifications, which is on the top. Now if I on it for now, as you can see, I can customize every notification. Let's say I don't want to get story notifications, message notifications or any kind of update notifications. I can customize that, but the best way is to get rid of all of that is simply turn off all of the notifications. Once you are done, you can do the same for WhatsApp, Twitter or any kind of social media application you are using. So that's how basically you can make text messages not show up in lock screen.